Hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel with your stylist. I hope you all are fine and good with your friends and family members. So if you visit my channel for the very first time, make sure please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more new daily updates. So my dear lovely viewers, without wasting our time, let's talk about our today content. Our today content is very special for you guys because in this video I am sharing with you some beautiful decoration ideas and beautiful poses ideas for your holiday, for your Christmas festival. So Christmas festival is very important and very joyful moment for all the humans. So in this day, you can make your day very beautiful by enjoying these type of beautiful pictures and dresses. You can adopt these type of beautiful poses by making group pictures and make your day memorable and beautiful with your beautiful dresses with a beautiful decoration ideas. So guys, I hope you enjoy my latest content because this is the most trendy ideas that I am sharing with you about the Christmas. So Christmas is very near at the end of the December 2023. So guys, I hope you enjoy my latest content and which dress you like the most. Please tell me in the comment section. You also do the twinning with your sisters, with your friends. In you can twinning in the dresses and make a picture memorable and beautiful. So I hope you enjoy this beautiful content and don't forget to share your reviews in the comment section and tell me that how you make your Christmas day memorable, what activities you want to do and you like to want to do in the Christmas festival holiday day. So guys, this is a beautiful dressing and family pictures, poses ideas that you make your own looks and make your Christmas very joyful and very memorable. So this is there are some dressing ideas, the decoration ideas, and the beautiful poses ideas and pictures ideas that you are making your Christmas day most beautiful and memorable. So guys, I hope you enjoy my latest content, and if you like my video, please thumbs up for this video and don't forget to share your reviews in the comment section. And thank you so much guys. Bye bye.